try and say like have a conversation or like two people saying one word and two people saying another.
Yeah, like Charlotte said, I think that we should have like conversations. So like I could have a conversation with Simon or Juana or Genevieve, and we can just say random things. It doesn't even have to be like a real conversation. You could just say train banana, bushes tie, brown hair, blue eyes, black shoes, and you could just whisper it and pretend that it's a conversation, and you wouldn't hear the actual words, you'd just hear the actual murmuring. Yeah.
I think that maybe we should be a bit quieter.
Yeah, me hitting.
But I don't know. My footstep also I felt too quiet.
I think you should just stop a bit more because we're
Yeah, we only heard like 2 or 3.
I know, but you can't really.
Who needs to talk?
It's that the camera thing is actually like really close to the person.
Nico, just like.
Remy.
You don't actually have to move.
Yeah.
But when you see he's getting farther, you can move a little bit and a little bit away.
So like this? No, it doesn't move.
So you don't have to do that. You could just go.
Yeah, and walk slowly backwards. You walk really slowly, so it looks like you're going away from the
science! Yeah, if you had high
Oh, we should go to Miss Jones to get it from science. Remember?
And now we're covering that whole spectrum of sound from low, medium, and then quite that high sound. You had those in the first rehearsal. You had some quite high pitch sound.
Yeah, what happened to the little like paper clips?
Coins.
Coin was me.
Yeah.
Coins were a nice.
Yeah, that one. Those 2 sounds are really nice because they're.
Do anybody want the coins?
all the way through?
Yeah, maybe more sound from
I'm gonna go.
Or maybe
Also, in one of the scenes, we should try to use like the water because
Evgeny use it in when he's in the street. But
I know. No, not in the street. When he was like standing at the top of the bridge.
Yeah.
That was my initial idea.
Okay,
Good to go?
yeah.
Everyone knows what they're doing?